Over the years, with big data, AI, machine learning space, lots of the solution started using S3 as the data storage for obvious reasons with scalability, durability. And then during this time, it was an advent of open table formats, meaning you can write your data in file format which you prefer. It can be as simple as a text format, CSV, things like that. But for big data, data analytics, machine learning, you need something better. So you have column level formats coming in, which is Parquet, your Avro format, ORC, if I'm not wrong. So these are multiple column level formats to query you efficiently your data. But again, when these went at scale, you were not able to perform your updates and things like that. Let's say I want to update my sales data for a particular customer. I have to rewrite the whole data again. S3 doesn't give you that capability to update my record or do frequent inserts. Imagine I'm having a streaming data that is doing frequent inserts, updates, deletes to my data. That was not possible in my Parquet data, right? And that is where Iceberg came into picture. It got very popular, as you know now. So it uses Parquet as a file format, but more in with Iceberg is that everything is done automatically. The only, I won't say downside, but with Iceberg, you will need to look after your table maintenance, meaning that the frequent updates that were coming in, they will write small files, and having too many small files is not good for your big data analytics. And that's the reason you will need to manually or automatically somehow look after your compaction of that small files, your snapshot management, your unreferenced files. There are a lot of unreferenced files that stay in your data set because of that frequent updates. And so this added that extra overhead management to look after these many factors when it came to Iceberg at scale, and to address everything in and do it as a fully managed service. That's what S3 table does for you. So you just say that, okay, this is my S3 table with Iceberg format, and the same problems I specified of my table maintenance, compaction, everything is done automatically for me at the back end.